make a play. I mean, trying to reach out and put points on the board. I fumble, and it was my fault.
What led to that mistake? Did you not have it securely in your hand?
I did. The guy just made a terrific hit in the right position on my arm and forced the ball out of my hand. I mean, like I said, it's my fault. I should have had 2 hands.
It felt kind of like there. Grant throws a pick, Thomas fumbles the ball. It feels like maybe you guys had some mistakes where they don't normally happen. Is that the way you looked at it?
Oh yeah, because I mean, I don't think Grant threw too many interceptions this year. I don't think we turned over the ball that much this year. So I mean, for things like that to happen, that's very unusual. So hopefully we learn from that and bounce back.
Brandon, like you said, it was maybe all or nothing. It's like that for every game. What's coach going to say to you? How's he going to get you motivated for this week?
I think he's just going to do the same thing. I mean, he's just going to tell us what we need to do and how we need to execute against them guys. So hopefully our guys take into it and listen to it and learn from that, and hopefully we go out there and execute.
And how confident are you that coach is going to get you guys motivated?
I'm very confident. I mean, Coach Snyder is the best coach I ever had, so I'm real confident.
Did you feel at all like you guys maybe were due for a game like this after things had gone so well the last 3 weeks?
Oh no, we never do for a loss. I always want to win every ball game I play, so I don't think so.
Is it fair to say though that maybe some of the things that had been going right and some of the breaks you had been getting went the other way today?
Oh yeah, it's fair to say that, but we don't supposed to do that. That's not the right thing to do. So it's like I said, it's a mistake, and we got to learn from it.
Brandon, did you feel like you needed one step today? It felt like you were just so close, several occasions that you were one step away from breaking one.
Yeah, I don't know, just the way the game went. I mean, them guys was good. Kickoff team from Missouri. I mean, their defense was real good. But still, I think we had some opportunities that we didn't take advantage of.
Do you guys feel like you came in with a little pressure on your shoulders with everything going on, the home record, bowl berth, etc.?
I think we do have a little target on our back, but like I said, man, anytime you go in between the white lines, you got to compete and win. So, I mean, it don't matter if you got a target on your back or not, you got to go out there and compete.
Always hard to drop a game. Is there some added disappointment knowing that this is your last game here in Manhattan?
I mean, my last game, like I said, I love playing in the Bill Snyder Family Stadium. It's a lot of memories and a lot of things going on in this stadium, and it's just very emotional for me to go out with a loss.
What about the motivation for you as seniors going into next week? Can you talk about that?
It's going to be very motivating because we want to continue. We want to have another game and play 2 more games or 1 more game, whatever it is. I mean, it's just going to be very, very important that we get a win for the seniors and everybody else.